animals like cow, buffalo, camel, sheep, and giraffe cut grass, leaves, or plants with their front teeth and swallow it without chewing. So, you have seen also that cow, sometimes we have seen buffalo or camel, that what they are doing, they are cutting the leaves of plants with their front teeth and swallow it without chewing. Later they bring it back into their mouth for chewing. First they are swallowing, after they are bringing it back into their mouth for chewing. Then they chew it well for hours. This is called chewing the cud. Some animals are called cud chewing animals. So if you ask some questions that give an example of cud chewing animal, you can write the name of cow, buffalo, or camel, or you can write sheep or giraffe. A giraffe has a long neck. Have you seen that the giraffe has a long neck which help it to reach tall trees for eating grass. An elephant uses its trunk to put food into its mouth. You can see the trunk of the animal. You can see elephant's trunk. It also uses it to break branches and leaves from trees to drink water. So the animal is using its trunk to put food into its mouth. In addition to that, it is using its trunk to break the branches and leaves from trees and to drink water. Rabbits, squirrels, I think you have seen rabbits, squirrels, and rats have sharp teeth in front. These teeth help in biting seeds, fruits, and nuts. These animals gnaw their food. Next is carnivore animals. I have told you the animals which eat flesh of other animals are called carnivores, just like lion and tiger, which have sharp and pointed teeth in front. This help them to tear the flesh of their prey. They have strong, flat, and broad grinding teeth at the back of their mouth to chew flesh. Snakes and frogs do not have teeth for chewing. They swallow their food whole. So the snakes and frogs do not have teeth. They are chewing their food. They are not chewing the food. They are swallowing their food whole. Frogs, lizards, and chameleons catch insects with their sticky tongue. So the sticky tongue who has got? Frogs, lizards, and chameleons.